Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open on a positive note due to a drop in domestic inflation to a 5-month low, hopes of a favorable outcome regarding trade tariffs between India and the US during the Prime Minister's visit, and reports of peace talks between US and Russian president over the Ukraine conflict. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 13 February 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and nosedived to 23,800 zones in the first hour. It was followed by recovery in the second half and consolidation towards the end. It recovered most of the intraday losses and managed to close near its opening levels. It formed a doji sort of a candle on the daily frame and has been making lower highs, lower lows from the last 5 trading sessions. Now, India VIX was marginally up to 14.9 levels, while Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.75. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,500 to 23,500, while immediate range is in between 22,900 to 23,300 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,969 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,929 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 15%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 23,150, weakness could be seen towards 22,800 zones, while hurdles can be seen at 23,333 marks. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 49,750, weakness could be seen towards 48,750, while hurdle can be seen at 50,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Bharti Airtel, Berger Paints, Ashok Leyland, Tata Consumer, Bajaj Finserv and HDFC Life, while some weakness could be seen in Prestige Estate, Oberoi Realty, Jio Finance, LTTS, Escorts, and Granules. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.